Alright, so my friends had just shown me this really cool glitch, and what you need is you need one of your pistols out. Doesn't matter which one. Personally, I'll go with high-powered pistol. And there's this little spot right here, about right here. You have to step down here on here. Let me fix. On this little rock right here, and what you do is you slowly slide down. Oh well, I messed up, my bad. It takes patience. Took me a few minutes. Let me show you where it is. It's actually right up here where this little gap is. You see up here in Cockney, or whatever that is. Now past this little bridge. I don't know if you can pull out any other gun. I haven't tried it, but it takes a couple tries and lots of patience. As you can see, I didn't get it on my first couple of tries. That is absolutely fine. I missed it again. Oh, goodness. I'll get it, and I'll show y'all. I will show you. I'm trying my best. Let me try it couple more times. There we go. Get down right here. And you want to slowly get in the middle, about right here. See? And now you're under the waterfall. Nice.